Schedule.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, who is also the returning officer for the Shillong parliamentary seat, SC Sadhu, said the district administration has asked for additional companies of Central Armed Police Forces CAPF, considering the recent incidents in the district, stating that the district administration is closely monitoring the law and order situation as maintenance of law and order is important for conducting the elections. The DC further said security has been intensified at government institutions, including police stations and beat houses after the recent incident at Maulai Beat House.
We are also closely watching the law and order situation in the district to ensure that the law and order should not disturb the conduct of the elections in the district. And in other aspects, we are in the right track of conducting elections, and we are confident that we will be able to conduct elections in free and fair manner. So we, in fact, as you are aware, that we are closely watching the law and order situation. Though it is stable as of now, but considering the recent incidents, we are requesting for more forces to the district. So as of now, we have 8 companies in the district, and we are also requesting for more companies.